What if one SUV could change the way we think about luxury and power forever? The 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE is not just another model. It is a revolution that pushes the boundaries of technology, design, and performance. Imagine an SUV with the elegance of a limousine, the strength of a supercar, and the intelligence of the future. But wait, because what you are about to see will completely shock you and challenge everything you thought you knew about SUVs. The first impression of the GLE 2026 is breathtaking. Its wide stance gives it dominance, while every line is sculpted for aerodynamic perfection. The design is a mix of elegance and aggression, showing refinement but also raw power. The grille is bold, the headlights futuristic, and the proportions scream modern luxury. But wait until you see the exterior details that Mercedes has hidden, because this SUV is not just beautiful, it is engineered to redefine what luxury SUVs can be. The front fascia commands attention with an illuminated grille that feels alive, while the headlights use precision LED technology to carve through the night. Sculpted sides highlight strength and speed, while the rear design completes its powerful identity with bold taillights and chrome accents. Even the wheels are crafted for aerodynamic performance and elegance. But wait, the exterior is only the beginning. The real shock comes when you discover what Mercedes has built inside. Step inside, and the GLE 2026 greets you with a cabin that feels like a futuristic luxury lounge. Premium leather blends with ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood. The dashboard is dominated by seamless digital displays that wrap around the cockpit. Everything feels advanced yet inviting, like stepping into tomorrow. But wait until you see the hidden interior technologies, because Mercedes has designed this cabin to be smarter, more comfortable, and more immersive than ever before. Inside the 2026 GLE, comfort and innovation meet. Massive displays merge with AI-powered voice and gesture controls. While the seats are sculpted for perfect comfort and adaptability, the sound system delivers concert-quality audio, turning every drive into an event. Small details reveal handcrafted precision, elevating the luxury experience. But stay tuned, because the real power of the GLE is still ahead. If you love SUVs, don't miss what comes next. Hit subscribe so you won't miss it. Beneath its luxurious design, the 2026 GLE hides a powerful heart. With a range of engines from hybrid efficiency to AMG performance, Mercedes gives drivers options for both refined cruising and raw adrenaline. This SUV is designed to balance responsibility with excitement, blending the best of both worlds. But wait, because when you hear the performance figures, you will understand why this SUV is being compared to Supercar. The GLE accelerates with breathtaking force, reaching speeds that rival performance cars. Adaptive suspension keeps the ride smooth on highways yet agile through sharp corners. Off-road, the GLE dominates terrains with intelligent driving modes that adjust instantly. Mercedes has balanced comfort and aggression perfectly. But the real shock is still coming, because performance alone is not what will make this SUV legendary, is the price and market position that could change everything. In the world of luxury, price often places cars far out of reach, but Mercedes has something different in mind for the 2026 GLE. Rumors suggest a price point designed to undercut rivals like BMW and Audi, while still offering features far beyond their reach. This is not just about making a luxury SUV, it is about dominating the market. But wait, because the story of the GLE is not just about numbers, it is about legacy and history that shaped it. The GLE has always been more than an SUV, it has been a symbol of prestige and innovation. From its early days to its modern evolution, it has defined what luxury SUVs should be. Now the 2026 GLE takes this history and turns it into a bold step forward, merging legacy with futuristic vision. The real shock is how Mercedes has managed to honor its past while creating a vehicle that feels like it was built for decades ahead. Don't miss the final reveal. So here it is, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE, the SUV that could replace supercars and shock the entire world. From bold design to futuristic interior, from unstoppable performance to surprising value, it redefines what an SUV can be. If you love luxury SUVs, don't miss what's coming next. Hit subscribe so you won't miss it. Stay tuned, because the future of luxury begins now, and Mercedes is leading the way into a new era.